Hey you, I saw you from the distance. Hey you, can we talk? Hey you, I think you're my subsistence. Hey you, or am I wrong? Than
I just walked down the beach videoing it. Take it, they put their dogs in there.
We break, make it seem like we feel the same. We love what we hate. We lie, but we know we can't water what doesn't grow. Give up, let it go. Well, we fell apart just in time. You say at least it was worth a try. me so high, leaving me waiting all this time. You tell me that you need some space, some time to go and clear your head, and that you need to go and find your place. But you should be here with me instead. And I'm so faded, hoping that you'll come back around. You got me waiting, waiting's got me feeling so down. I can't control my heart, and it's you that has it falling apart. I can't keep chasing, 'cause my feelings keep on spinning around. You got me fading.
Have to go back to them. Yeah.
Why can't you see all the pain that you've left me, all the scars you've left behind? Why you go and setting yourself free? But I'm never gonna let you go, never gonna stop this, so I'm always gonna chase my heart, even when it gets too dark. And I never wanna see this break, even if it's a mistake. Always hoping that you gon' come back and stay. But I'm starting to lose hope, 'cause you won't pick up your phone. And I'm trying to save this on my own, and I'm feeling so alone. Started to set itself in stone that you're never coming back, and you're happy on your own. I'm so faded, hoping that you'll come back around. You got me waiting, it's got me feeling so down. Can't control my heart, and it's you that has it falling apart. Can't keep chasing, 'cause my feelings keep on spinning around. You got me faded, hoping that you'll come back around. You got me waiting, 'cause my feelings keep on spinning around. Got me faded. I sunrise. Stick with me, keep me company. Nothing could trouble me now. I will sing till